Okay, good evening students. Now this is your class 3rd EBS chapter 7 little friends around us. Okay, what is your chapter name? The chapter name is little friends around us. So what do you mean with the little friends? So it is about the worms and insects. Okay, so this chapter is about the worms and insect. Okay, these are the small in size. Okay, so before the starting of this lesson we have to previous knowledge. According to our previous knowledge, students, we know that animals, in animals we can't include four legs animals. In animals we also include insects and birds. Okay, as you know students that birds are 2 legs and insects has 6 legs, so we also include the insects and birds. So according to your previous knowledge, this is that in animals we include insects and birds, and according to size and shape and speed they are different types sizes and speed also. Some animals has very fast running animals, some has very slow moving animals, and some are hopping animals. So this is your previous knowledge students. Okay, now from in this chapter 7 we will talk about little friends around us. Means we will talk about, in this chapter we will talk about insects, then worms. So today we are discuss about two topics, insects. Okay, so today we discuss about insect. So what do you know about the insect? As you know student that insect has 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs, and it can be crawl and fly. Okay, and it has no bones. No bones मतलब जो इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं उनके बोन्स नहीं पाई जाती. And they have 2 antennae also. These antennae we found at the head point. We have 2 antennae. From this antennae they getting smelling, hearing and all these. Okay, sense. With the antennae, the insect has senses. Okay, they feel taste, they feel smell like with the antennae. So this is the general information about the insect. So now we are discussing about insect. Okay, students, this is the diagram of insect. It has, the insect body is divided in 3 parts. Okay, before the starting of the lesson and reading of the lesson, I am generally introduced about the insect. I am introduced about the insect. So insect body is divided in the 3 parts. So first part is the insect is your head, then this one is your second part, it is your thorax. Okay, and this part is your abdomen. abdomen, abdomen. Okay, so now students, in this head we have found 2 antennas. Okay, we found 2 antennae here. This is the head part, this is your thorax part, and here body, the insect has 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. So this is the diagram of insect and label. Okay, now come here. That insect body, about insect body, the insect body is divided in 3 parts. So in this one first part we have head, like this one we have head. Okay, so in second thorax, So second part is your thorax. It is like here. And now third is your abdomen. So here is your abdomen. Okay, so now this is your introduction about this chapter for the insect. So now students, we are going to start our chapter 7 lesson reading. So this is your chapter 7, little friends around us, and this is few points contents are there. This is your insect, worms, water animals and amphibians. So in this lesson we are discussing about these points. So now we are going to start our lesson reading. We see many small animals around us. They can creep, crawl, slide, jump or fly. They may be insect, worms, spiders or beetles. As you know students that insect has 6 legs. According to the small little friends, small animals, we included the insect and birds, and these is mostly these insects creeping, crawling, sliding and jumping like this. They are moving or fly. Okay, so they may be insect, worms. As you know, we include the worms, insects, spiders and beetles, all these. So here are some insects picked. Some creatures around us. So here is cockroaches, like spiders, like snake, and other is also, this is beetle, honeybug and bee. So some insects names are these one, that insects are ladybugs, beetle, bees and flies, mosquito, ladybugs, ant. These are your insects. So now we are start insect. INSECTS. Insects are creatures having 6 legs. As you know, before this video I am sending you, so there we have found that insect has 6 legs. They can crawl and fly or fly. As you know students, the insects has crawl and fly. This is their moving. By this they moving. Their bodies are divided into 3 parts. In the diagram of the insect, you know that the insect body has divided into 3 parts, that are head, thorax and abdomen. THROAX, thorax, and abdomen, EBDOMEN, abdomen. They have no bones and their bodies are soft. As you know, the insects are soft. Why they are soft? Because they have no bones. They have 2 feelers like this. These, you know, they have 2 feelers. In these 2 feelers we have to say that they are antennae. Antennae help them to smell, feel and taste, and these antennae work with the senses like feel and smell and taste. Insects hatch from egg, and how we get these insects? Because these insect hatches. These insect has egg and egg. So by the egg, when the egg is hatches, so we found these little insects. Some insects have wings to fly, and as you know, some insects has wings like this one, wings, feet. Like this here, spider has also wings. So it is. Now it is cockroach. Common household cockroaches are found all over the world. They come out of their hiding place at night. The cockroach come in at night, okay. They are in the hiding place. They live on food particles and tiny insect. और वो कहाँ रहते हैं? They are live on food particles. That's why our mother clean our kitchen at the night. For these cockroaches that they can't live on the food in our kitchen cupboards, so that's why we must clean our kitchen. Okay. students, next page number 46 about insect. Termites and ants. Termites are also white ant. What we say? Look at this picture. This termite is looking like a ant. Okay. So we say to termites white ant because this is in color, it is white. They feed on leaf litter, wood, soil or animal dung. Where they live? It is live on the animal dung, wood and soil, okay, and litter like this, and leaf also. And here is the pic of ant. As you know, they are similar. Only the difficulty of the color that they are black and it is white. Ants are social insect and are related to wasp. Why we call to ant social insect? Because ants live in a group. You saw the ants that they are all time they are live in groups. So that's why we call ant that ant has social insect. The place where a group of ants live together is called a colony of ants. And when we have called the group of an ant, so it is we say colony of ants. So in some parts of Africa, ants are considered to be the messenger of God. So in Africa country, their peoples is devoted for this that the ant is a messenger of God. Okay, so they are considered the ant as the messenger of God. Now here some pics of insects like ant, butterfly and snail. So housefly and mosquito, this is our new paragraph. Housefly and mosquito, these are also we included in insect. So houseflies and mosquitoes carry dirt and germs. Houseflies sit on dirt, garbage and collected water and pick up germs on their hairy legs. What they doing? The housefly and mosquito carry dirt. These are the main sources for the germs. Okay, a housefly and mosquito carry dirt and germs. When houseflies sit on the dirt and garbage means kachra. So when the houseflies sit on the dirt and garbage places, so what they doing? They collect the water and pick the germs and their legs. Okay, from their hairy legs they collect the germs. When they sit the food, so what they doing? They left these germs on the food, and eating such food, when we eat like this such food, so we make sick. These insects make us sick. Okay, so mosquito bite and suck blood of people, and what the mosquito doing? Mosquito bite the people, and from the people they suck the blood of people, and they spread diseases like malaria and dengue fever. So the sources of malaria and dengue fever are mosquito. So that's why we cover the food. We kill the mosquito for the like these diseases for safe to us. Okay. Now one insect more we have to talk about. This is snail. This is the pic of snail. Okay. So a snail is a soft body insect that move on the ground. As you know, as you see the snail anywhere, so a snail is moving on the ground, and snail live inside their shell, and this is the shell of the snail, and inside this shell the snail is living, which protect them from their enemy, and this shell Which one? This cell. This cell protect to snail. Okay. So now today's our first topic insect is covered. We complete this topic. In next class we will talk about worms, water animals and amphibians.